Hello, my name is LaCourtney Long. I'm a current student here at the University of Laverne. I actually graduated in 2012 from the University of California, Riverside with my bachelor's in music and minor in media and cultural studies. The program I am in here at Laverne is the multi-subject credential program. And also I'm here to receive my master's in education. My educational goals is to graduate with an excellent grade point average and to lead and be an example for my future students. The reason why it is important to set forth an example is because the youth in this generation definitely need someone to look up to. Teaching young people about life and instilling morals and values in them is truly imperative within this duration of time. In today's time, children are faced with issues behind closed doors, so when they arrive at school, it is known to be their second home, which is what they look forward to every day. So I decided to share my e-portfolio with everyone. If anyone would like to go on in and check it out, you're more than welcome to do so. This is my teaching portfolio. I also have done blogs here, which is really awesome, about this journey, which has been truly outstanding and wonderful here at Laverne within all the professors and also my classmates. I truly enjoy attending this school. Here are some other projects and so forth, and also here is my philosophy on classroom management and different teaching styles and so forth. I actually work with special needs students every day and at a high school, and it's been such a wonderful blessing and a great experience. So to have this course truly tremendously made me excited and happy because we need more courses like these for us to be informed on how to work with special needs students. Even though I have had 3 years of experience within being a transitional instructional aide, this is still a wonderful course here at the University of Laverne. So my classroom management is that I want the atmosphere to be very focused for the children. I would also like to have special needs students in my class when I do get certified to teach. So they'll just be a gift and a true blessing in the classroom, which I feel will be wonderful. Students are to treat one another with the utmost respect and help each other out to build up morals like skills, such as being kind to one another and helpful to one another. Within building and gaining a great substance of independence. So this is the classroom management. We want to go for consistency, which is right here in the middle, which will go out to rules and procedures, recognizing adherence, organization for learning, effective relationships with students, which I really feel is very important, and also keeping the students engaged, which would be excellent. So that is my classroom management, my teaching and learning styles. I love this quote by Martin Luther King, which he says, "If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward." And I love how Dr. King had stated this. This is truly something very inspirational, and definitely I will keep this on my wall in my classroom. I will have a poster, but this is what I stand by within becoming a future teacher. So basically, here's a resume also for my e-portfolio as well, which is what I like to keep, for future references. When I do become a teacher. Here's some lesson plans in which I've worked on as well, and also for inquiry, and then also a SEDI lessons as well. So this has just been such a fun and great experience. I look forward to doing so many things and taking from this class in which where you're going to learn. Some helpful resources that people can utilize, especially in special needs classrooms. Special education classrooms is the case of the missing carrot cake. I'm sorry, home storyline online. And here's an example of the case of the missing carrot cake. But yeah, this is great. When you play the stories online and the actual actors or people on TV read the stories to the children, this will definitely help in the classroom and keep the students engaged. I love this. We have PBS Kids, and we also have Starfall, which is very popular. Basically, for special needs students, they can learn their ABCs, they can learn how to read, and it's just really, really great. So, basically, this is what I have here, and I hope that everyone likes my portfolio. And also my introductory of who I am. And I just want to thank you all, and I hope that everyone has a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you for listening.